Now we've nipped out for a bit and going to go to the hog roast at the Scotchman, at the Needless Inn, Scotchman Lane, shortly. But I thought I'd just get on to drone shots. So we've just been over by the Howley Golf Club, and now you find me standing on the original Great Northern line between Bradford and Wakefield via Batley and Dewsbury. Okay, so I'll switch cameras. This is literally looking directly along the old line towards Batley and Dewsbury and Wakefield, and eventually I suppose London. If we turn to the other way, that is looking towards Bradford, and there was here a level crossing, and some of the original cobbles are still visible, but there's no sign of any rails, anything like that. Part of this was the old station. I'm just wondering if you can actually see the platform still, because you used to be able to do the down platform, that is. I wouldn't think the up platform, because that'd be this side. So I'll see if you can see it. Not so sure if anyone. Oh yeah, you can see it there, just across there. It was for sale, was this place, some years ago. So yeah, there you can see it there, that's the platform for Bradford direction. And the railway obviously used to keep going up this way towards Howden Clough. Some of the track bed on the embankment you can still see, but when it gets to where the showcase is and the West Yorkshire Retail Park, like IKEA, it's all just buried and gone. Yeah, it's hard to believe it dates from the 19th century, that, but it does. Anyway, let's fly the drone again, and we'll do a bit of following back down towards Scotchman Lane. Right, that car is just about to go across the old railway where we just were a few moments ago. And it's changed a lot since I was last around here some years ago. There's a new house been built there. There's some kind of equestrian centre as well here. Batley Hall Farm Riding Centre. So, but the road's just as it was, a dirt track. You used to have the odd family friend, I think, that lived up here. I'm not so sure, he's probably dead by now. If he'd be over 100 I think by now. Because he's in his, what was he? He must both be about 60 or some, 60 nearly 70. That were 30 years ago at least, so he'd be at least 100 by now. So yeah, just some family friends we used to know back in the early 80s. Right, you can continue down there, of course, to Timothy Lane, but we'll go this way. What's that? 1869. Whatever that might mean. I don't know. Anyway, we'll go down this way. Careful not to, oh dear, sprain any ankles or break any ankles, something like that. Right, we can find a suitable spot. We'll get the drone in the air again. bye.